Welcome to Reach Reporting. In this video, we will showcase how with minimal effort and learning curve, you can transform your static and often overwhelming business data into meaningful and presentable business insights. Explore our pre-built templates and benefit from best practice data analytics. Analyze your actuals and budget and forecast data or any non-financial data. Customize every template to your preference and create visually enhanced reports and dashboards that drive business value in minutes. All within a familiar spreadsheet environment with no downsides. In Reach Reporting, you can also effortlessly create advanced three-way budgets and rolling forecasts. Understand your current business position, how far off you are from your target, and what trends to expect in the future. Consolidate your companies and convert to a common reporting currency in a click. Drill down from consolidated to company and class level. Experience ease of use and automation while saving hours of copy-pasting and transforming data. Tell the up-to-date, visually compelling data story as your data syncs seamlessly, so you can stop managing data and start managing decisions. Let's go ahead and get familiar with the Reach Reporting interface, terminology, and data inputs. When you first sign up, you will be directed to something we call a workspace. A workspace is a place where you connect all your companies to collaborate with other workspace members to create collections of dashboards and reports, as well as budgets and consolidations. To connect your data to Reach Reporting, click on the Add Company button in the top right. These are a few of our current integrations. Once you have connected your company, open up your company settings and set a logo, as well as a theme color. You can even choose a theme color that is derived from your company logo. There are some other additional settings that we also recommend taking a look at. You can set different labels for your financial statements. For example, change net profit to net income or surplus. You can also set the book month. That is the last reporting month for which you have data you would like to see in your dashboards and reports. In case you only want to show data for your finalized and closed book month, you can choose the option to not show actuals booked after that month. Reach Reporting defaults to the last calendar month as your book month. As time goes on, the default book month will automatically roll forward and live update your reports and dashboards with the newest data. So you don't need to waste time rebuilding tables and charts. In the top right, you will have an option to switch between the light and dark theme, or to switch between your workspaces as well access some additional settings. Now, let's talk about terminology. Reach Reporting distinguishes between several types of users. A user managing overall access and settings is called the workspace owner. A workspace owner can name the workspace and choose a default theme color used in all companies, and is the only user giving access to the entire workspace itself. Also, billing is tied to the workspace owner. Additionally, users can also be workspace members, those that contribute in the report building process. Workspace members need to be invited to the workspace by the workspace owner. It also need to be given access to specific companies. The Workspace Members button helps the workspace owner easily add or remove members from all your connected companies. After connecting your companies, you can organize your workspace by creating folders. Use the Move To option within each company to change its destination folder. Then assign workspace members to each folder, that is, to a group of companies. Just open the folder and click the Group Access gear icon. Alternatively, if you wish to grant access to just one specific company, without creating a folder, you can do so by clicking on the Additional Users option. The company will appear in the Shared With Me folder for the workspace member. All users with workspace access can build reports and dashboards within existing companies, add new ones, consolidate and create new folders to organize their companies, and assign existing workspace members to those new folders. Users can also be clients, those who just consume information from reports and dashboards, and thus need a view-only access. Use our client portal if you offer business advisory services or if you simply want to keep your departments up to date with business insights. The client portal lets you share only specific reports and live dashboards with each client or department by organizing them in folders and assigning user access through a secure login. Within each folder, you can upload your own files, not created with Reach Reporting, to have all your data in one place. Since clients are not involved in report building, they don't need access to the workspace itself. They have to be added separately to each company. You can add or remove clients by clicking on the Manage Clients button either on the client portal or at a company level. You can add as many clients as you want, but keep in mind that clients cannot be workspace members. Your client portal can also be white-labeled and as such branded uniquely to your company. To preview your client portal exactly as one of your clients would experience it, click on the Preview User button and have the peace of mind you need when sharing confidential data. If you have multiple companies and wish to create dashboards and reports at a consolidated level, you can do so easily by clicking on the Consolidate button at the top right within the workspace. Simply select the companies you would like to consolidate, add abbreviations if you wish, and enable currency conversion for companies with different currencies. Add a name for your consolidated company and click Create, and you are set to provide professional-looking business insights on a consolidated level for both your actuals and your budget data. You can also drill down from consolidated to company and class level. Once you have your companies and users organized, to dive into your data insights, click on the company you wish to explore. Once in the company, similar to the workspace, in the top right you will have an option to switch between the light and dark theme in Access Company and additional settings. You can navigate back to your workspace at any point by clicking on the home icon located in the top left. The menu located on the left side of the page will take you to your dashboards and reports. Those are visual outputs of data inputs you provide. Your main input is the accounting data you provided by connecting your company. But Reach Reporting has additional input options like budgets and forecasts and spreadsheets. Create a single or multi-year budget using our three-way planning and forecasting tool that connects to your underlying data and uses a familiar spreadsheet environment with minimal learning curve and intuitive driver-based growth settings for each of your accounts, so you can have your projections in minutes. For the profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, income and expenses budgeted on the profit and loss side automatically flow through to the balance sheet as earnings. Invoices and bills resulting from those transactions also impact balance sheet accounts receivable and accounts payable positions. This will show as either cash in or cash out on your cash flow statement. The time when cash inflow or outflow is recorded on the cash flow statement will depend on the terms you set for your payments. And all this is happening automatically, without the need for complicated formulas on your end. Everything you decide to tweak, be it your business's success, by influencing income or expense, or a purchase of a new asset, or a new bank loan, will flow automatically to your net cash flow and show you the projected cash balance at any point in time. In Reach Reporting, you can also use current year actuals and easily create rolling forecasts. Check out our videos on planning and forecasting to learn more. Another data input that will make your reporting comprehensive are sheets. Sheets allow you to bring in non-financial and operational data by using Reach Data Sheets and Google Sheets, so you can have all your data in one place. The left menu additionally has easy access to the client portal and to your company settings. At the bottom, you can check the last time your data was synced or force a manual sync. When you have all your data inputs in place, start analyzing using our reporting features. Create live dashboards and share a link with other users, or create visually designed reports to present or export to PDF. You can also export all your work to Excel. Any data you want to analyze, be it on a dashboard or a report, is based on a visual we call a metric. Metrics are where data magic happens. There are many metric templates to choose from in our metrics library. You can access it through a dashboard or a report. If you decide to custom build a metric, it will take you to a familiar spreadsheet environment that uses formulas similar to Excel. Start analyzing your data in this upper section of what we call the metric builder. In columns, you will add different date ranges and data types you need for your analysis. Select either an actual or a budget or forecast data type, or bring in additional operational data. Then, select a predefined date range that updates monthly, annually, or quarterly, or choose a custom date option. You can also add blank columns for custom formulas and additional non-date columns, like project or department names. In rows, you will pick a category you wish to add from both your financial or non-financial data. To pick data for a specific business driver, just select the name of data you want to analyze and click Save. Easily add blank rows for custom formulas. You can also right-click on the row number to insert custom rows or delete a row. For custom calculations, just start typing up a formula for the key performance indicator of your choice, like you would in any spreadsheet. If you wish, you can add an entire financial statement. Financial statements added within the metric builder will not update your chart of accounts automatically when you add new accounts, so we would recommend using the statements option as a separate feature on both reports and dashboards. Once you have all the data and calculations you need, you can choose the visual output in the section below. By changing the chart type, you can choose the output to be a table or a different chart. Every output option has additional settings to help your visuals stand out, so we recommend exploring them further. Now, let's navigate to the Dashboard section. Choose Dashboards if you want to give users live access to data insights you wish to present. Your company will have a couple of default dashboards already added. To add new dashboards, you can click this button in the upper right and choose from Template. You will see the variety of Reach templates that you have access to. To add, simply click a dashboard and then select Add. When you open a pre-built dashboard, it will pull in your data as well as the chosen theme color. Quickly see how your performance has changed over time or against your planned values. You can drill down to classes and departments as well. You can also add new metrics from our metric template library using the Add Metric button located at the top right. You can choose to add an entire financial statement or create a divider to better organize your dashboard. To add a key performance indicator, use the Live Text option, or simply use the Quick Build option to start from scratch and build your own metric. At any point, you can edit any one of these metrics by selecting the menu at the top right and choosing Edit. You can also easily resize, move, and realign. Dashboards can be exported to Excel, with each tab named as the metric you have built. If you want to share a dashboard, click on the gear icon and choose either a client portal or a live link by clicking on the Manage Publish option. You can also save a dashboard as a template to reuse in other companies and access it by choosing My Templates in the Dashboard Template library. Now let's take a quick peek at reports inside of Reach. Use this feature when you need a more visually designed PDF or a presentation. Similar to dashboards, you can use one of our pre-built templates from the template library and customize it to your preference. Or you can create a report from scratch. Each template report can be customized with its own color using the Theme Color option here. At the top, you can select colors from your chosen company theme color. Once the color is changed, it will change the theme throughout the report. Use the left menu to tell a compelling data story. You can choose to add metrics, either from those you saved as your templates or from our metric template library. Make your selection and drag and drop a metric to a page. Once you drag a metric or any element onto a page, you can drag to rearrange or use the top bar to edit elements, such as font size and color, as well as the alignment or positioning of objects on the page. You can also choose to create a custom one yourself. Creating or editing a metric in Reach always opens up a new window with a familiar spreadsheet environment and formulas. Just select your data type, date ranges, and data categories you wish to analyze, and you can start creating insightful and visually advanced analytics with ease. You can also add an entire financial statement. All financial statements used in the report will be listed when you click on the Statements button. To navigate to a specific statement, just click on it. To add a new one, go to the Add Manage button at the top. If you want to start from scratch, choose Create New. Here you can make your selection on statement type and other details, or you can use one of your saved templates. You can save any of the statements from our template reports. Go to the top of the page on a statement you would like to save and click on Add Statement to My Templates. Then select who will have access to your template. To add a saved template statement to your report, click on your preferred statement and then click Add. You can upload different images to add to your report design and brand it with both colors and a logo. If your reports usually contain summaries, use the text option to write them up. You can also add headlines, page numbers, and a table of contents. There is also the option to add live text. Live text, same as in dashboards, is a visual best used for showcasing your key performance indicators. Similar to metrics, it dynamically updates as new data comes in. Conditional formatting is available in both live text and metrics and statements. Rearrange, resize, and realign any of your metrics with ease using our Align, Group, and Arrange features. For more visual enhancements, you can also use shapes. The Scratch Pad is a place where you can save metrics, visual objects, or entire pages to reuse in other reports. Any of the existing template metrics can be edited by selecting the metric and clicking on the Edit Metric button. Once you have built or customized your report the way you want, you can easily add it to the client portal or export it to PDF or Excel using buttons located at the top right. You can also use the Preview button as a presentation option. To save a report as a template, click on the gear icon located on each report. Save and access it by choosing My Templates in the Report Template library. Now that you are more familiar with our interface, here is a quick overview of Reach reporting features that you can use to automate and streamline your business processes. Business reporting and performance analysis. Three-way planning and forecasting. Cash flow projections and management. Consolidations and multi-currency conversion. Collaboration and client portal access. So make sure to watch our video tutorials, where you can quickly learn how to use the simplicity and the power of Reach reporting features. Additionally, you can check out our Knowledge Center for more information and tips. This video just scratches the surface of what is possible with Reach. So once you get your company connected, be sure to book a demo to explore even more what you can do in Reach.